Alright guys, so you saw in the last pickup video, Noah got his Ultra Boost, so I got my own pair of shoes. Let's just say this is not a hype, this is a Jordan. So, let's open it. Ooh, you already see that Jordan in there. Look at all this dust. Alright, so we got an Air Jordan 4 Retro and a 10.5. See what it is. Ooh. So, it comes with this card. You already know maybe what shoe it is. And then shout out to the good friends at Generation Cool down in Tucson. They gave me a good price on these, especially on this pair, which is really rare. So, let's see what we got. Ooh, we got some Tour 4s. Dang. This is what I really wanted. That's what I wanted. Jordan Rare Air. This is one of my favorite. The 4 is my favorite model. And this has been a shoe that I've really wanted. Being a sneakerhead. So, especially these are non-hype. These were before the resellers got in the game, and it was pretty cool. So yeah, the Tour 4s, these are so fire. This is probably my favorite sneaker that I have right now. So we're gonna get into some detailed shots. So let's go into that.